Hi, my name is Sujata and Sujata Srinivasan. I'm from Chennai, born and brought up in Chennai. After marriage, I shifted to Bangalore. So, yeah, I work for a Stixis company. It's a software company. And yeah, we are a family of three. And here is my husband. Yeah.
Hi, this is Sriram Subramanian. I'm from Tamil Nadu. In fact, I'm here in Bangalore for about 20 years. I work for a company named SE Global. I'm a software professional. So the way back 20 years I came to Bangalore, we were having a dream of building a house. The building of house have come true now. Yeah, see, in fact, buying a house is always an asset. In fact, there is an appreciation over a building rather than a flat. So when you have a individual house, there are a lot more facilities that you can even build on top of what you thought about. And moreover, it's about completely you have your own freedom in your individual building. Yeah, so this is what the primary objective to build a house.
We are searching for a trustworthy constructor and outspoken constructor mainly. The constructor should understand about our feelings and our expectation. Long story short, we were asking from our friends side, all the constructors or those who can build. Even I was asking about my friends, my brother's friends. And then finally one day I was sending a post in Suleka. So then we came to know about high tower construction. So suddenly we got a click from, they also called us. So my husband Sriram went to see them in the site. Okay, so for the first site itself we got to understand about each other. So all went well, very well.
Absolutely. In fact, the moment we connected with High Towers, where we were talking about the high level plans and what are the milestones and so on. The moment we carry on our discussions, we came to know the professional approach and completely a listening mode of the constructor, where was quite admirable. Then back on our home, we were thinking about to choose high tower, and not only because of these two parameters, and the way that they have dynamically approached us in the next day, and there were lots of follow-up calls and the lot of designs, and they have given about the pricing models where we could able to easily choose, and in terms of quality, they do have given the transparent quality model as well. So that's what the story behind to choose High Tower.
And one thing I just want to say that they didn't force us to take. They approached us, they gave their what they can do, they left, but they didn't push us to accept.
Right. And moreover, they could easily gauge our requirements and budget. So in a way that we could able to freeze with a complete package model that they offered. That's what happened towards quotation. Yeah, I would say fantabulous. In fact, that's what my shortest pick word. First of all, we would really appreciate their hard work and transparent transaction. So we do have a complete WhatsApp group where they used to share their photographs and transactions on every milestone. All the materials were even checked by a supervisor, and they do send a photograph of the quality. If you take about cement, they send the complete bag of the cements and the grade as well. And to the extent even they were asking about the proof also, they can able to share. So that's what the milestone wise where we were connected with them in terms of quality, in terms of negotiation, in terms of changes, alterations. Everything could be able to discussed very well with the team.
Satisfaction level is
Yeah, above the expected
Expectation.
level. Yeah. Yeah, of course, the major hindrance was Corona,
COVID-19.
COVID-19 issue.
not from the constructor side.
Exactly, not from High Tower, and they could able to give their best and due to the labor constraint and high demand inflation over the material cost, where really was a disturbance for about 1 quarter, I would say, right? So then we slowly they came up with, even in spite of the COVID situation, they could able to arrange the labors, materials, and they could able to finish on time, at least if not on time, of course about 3 months break. After that they could able to fix the dream whatever we set.
But that is not a constraint actually.
Of course it's not a constraint, it's a natural calamity, unprecedented situation. Even in the unprecedented situation where they could able to manage the complete construction was really hats off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would recommend the client to discuss with the High Tower in detail about their requirements first. And as we again emphasizing that High Tower is a good listener, so that's what most important to start any construction work. Yeah, of course, very much. Yeah, so we have already did that, and quite a few friends were started their the architectural work with them. Quite a few were going to start probably 2022.
I can say Mr. Narayan and Mr. Mohan, they both approached us and they called us many times for selecting the tiles. So not only one shop, they took us to many shops to select the tiles. Until we get satisfied, they were approaching us.
See, the choices are around, there are a lot of options. So whenever you tend to choose, you would always get confused, right? So at times, you need a specialist or you need a expert to say that, no, this would suits for you. And whatever that you choose, they should not deny as well. So in that perspective, it was, a combo of thought where they gave a, shoulder room for us to think about the exact color that we wanted. And at times they were stopping us that don't choose this one, this may not choose, and we have experienced that we tend to change that in later.
I can say that if you talk with your brother or in your family member or someone else who can understand you better, in that way they were constructing the house. To construct a dream house, you can approach High Towers. I could say that.
So, with nutshell, we would like to say that any customers, they can really go and approach High Towers. That's the best construction which ever we experienced in our whole family. So, thank you so much.
Thank you
Namaste.
so much. Namaste.